Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alicia and I'm here with a new video today. I'm going to show you guys how to wand curl your hair. So let's get started. This is the brand that I use. It's Conair. And basically with wands, they do come in different sizes. So I prefer mine to at least be 1 inch thick. And this is the wand. I got it from Walmart. So as you can see down here, it's 1 inch, and then it gets smaller as you go up and it changes to like 1/2 inch. So with the wand, you can set it to different temperatures. This one goes from 310, 330, 360, and 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I always set mine up to 400, the highest one. So normally I like to start it off in the back. So I tend to just part it. The part doesn't have to be perfect. I just do a little part to separate the hair. We have this small section right here. We're gonna take the wand curl. And let's see. I start off at the top and then wrap my way down. So depending on how tight you want your curl to be, you can, make the hair closer to each other, or you can leave in gaps. So I don't want the curl to be too tight, but as you can see, it gives you this nice, fall. All right, so we're starting our second one. All right, so we take it, hold it on, and you can see I left a few gaps. It's not like the hair isn't close to each other. You can leave a little space. Like I said, it depends on the tightness of how you want your curl. So I'm going for a loose beach curl. Okay. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I normally don't count out loud like this, but for the purpose of this video, so you have idea, that's why I'm doing this. So if you want it to start at the root, you just have to bring the curler like closer. So I'm gonna push it at the top and get all the hair on there. And I'm not touching my head, so I'm not worrying about burning my scalp. All right, so you see how that curl is a little bit like closer compared to this one. It's starting like lower, but that's pretty much it. So let me just finish the rest of my head. So I'll do a curl from the back so you can see. So here's my little section. I don't know if you can see. All right, so that's good. Okay, so here's my small little section. Now, if you're worried about burning yourself, some wands do come with a glove, but I don't use a glove because I'm like a professional. So, yeah. We are just going to finish up the other side now. So we'll section that off into two. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I definitely prefer using a wand because I don't know how to use an actual curling iron. I have a curling iron, but I just find using a wand so much easier. Before you actually like curl your hair, you could use heat protecting spray. Because I just got my hair straightened yesterday, I didn't want to apply too much product because they already put in heat protectant yesterday, so I didn't want to, you know, have a lot of product built up in my hair like that. Okay, so this is the last part. Okay, you guys, so I'm done curling my hair. Now, when I'm finished, you can brush it out. You can either use your fingers or an actual brush, whichever you prefer. So I'll just try it with my fingers. And we're just like combing it through. And I like to finish it off with it's OGX Argan Oil from Morocco. So I don't do too much because, like I said, I don't want a lot of product in my hair, so. All right, so we are finished. This is the back. So yeah. I know I said I was gonna do a middle part, but we might just have to flip it. Yes, sir. And this is how I want to curl my hair.